Once upon a time there was a beautiful butterfly.
I am very beautiful. Who is more beautiful than me?
I am beautiful flower.
No, you are not more beautiful by flower.
The butterfly flew away. The butterfly looked for something more beautiful. It met a bird. Hello, butterfly.
Hello, bird.
You are a beautiful butterfly.
You are a beautiful bird, but you are not as beautiful as me. Butterflies are the most beautiful.
No, you are a beautiful butterfly, but you are not as beautiful as me. Birds are the most beautiful.
Who is right?
We cannot both be correct.
We must get someone to decide.
But who can see beauty?
Only the gods on Mount Olympus.
Let us go then. How do we get there?
I know, but it is very far. So let's take a taxi before the price goes up.
Okay. The bird and butterfly found a taxi to take them to Mount Olympus.
It will cost 85,000 won.
I can pay, but there is a problem.
What?
The taxi is too small. I will have to fly there. You can ride on my back.
Okay.
The bird and butterfly flew for 40 days and 40 nights. When they came to Mount Olympus, they saw it was guarded. A robot on a cloud was guarding Mount Olympus. What do you want? We want to see the gods. Why?
They must decide who is more beautiful, the butterfly or the bird.
Such foolishness. For being stupid, you must go to jail. The robot put the bird and the butterfly in jail. The bird and the butterfly felt very sorry for puzzling the gods with their foolish argument. One night when the robot was asleep, they escaped from the jail. Come back, come back.
Goodbye, robot. The end.
She live and she go then she lives for me. Says she lives for me ovation. Her own motivation. She comes round and she goes down on me. And I make you smile like a drug for you. Do ever what you wanna do, coming over you. Keep on smiling, what we got.